Hi, I'm Jerry James Stone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to crack an egg with just one hand. Now it sounds a little scary, but it's actually a lot easier than you probably think. Let's get to it. Okay, so the first part of cracking the egg, obviously, is cracking the egg. So just go ahead and crack it against the rim of a dish. Now, you can also, if you're maybe not totally comfortable with that, you're afraid that you're just gonna completely split the egg, you can crack it on a flat surface, but I think it's a lot easier with just the rim of a dish. So just go ahead and give it a good crack. Okay, so I've cracked the egg. The next thing that I'm gonna do is kind of 3 different actions at once. This was where it gets a little tricky, but it's totally doable. So just take a deep breath, we can do this. Okay, so you see where my finger is on the crack? What I'm gonna do when I'm gonna face the cracked part of the egg towards the bowl. I'm gonna take that finger and I'm gonna push into the crack of the egg. While I'm pushing into the crack of the egg with that finger, I'm gonna take my thumb and my other finger and try to spread the shell apart one way while taking this finger and trying to spread this part of the shell the other way, all in one action. And it's actually, while it sounds a little difficult, it's actually not too bad, because as you're pushing into the egg with the finger that's near the crack, it's gonna naturally open up as more space is being pushed through there. So your finger is gonna force the shell to start to move in that direction, and then you're just gonna use your other fingers on your hand to kind of coax it along. So just in one fell swoop, push it in there, just like that. Super easy. So let me just show you that one more time, just for all in one motion. Crack the egg, easy as that. So that's how you do it with one hand. Try it out a few times. The thing that's great about this is you can kind of keep one hand free and clean. You don't have to, have that one also be covered in egg yolk. But if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If there's something that you want to see, drop a comment below. And hey, you know what? If you like to cook like I do, I release new videos every single week, so please subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.